Hello, hello. So today we're going to be making brunch, basically, is this video. We're going to go over this recipe for French toast bake that Eric's mom gave us, and then we're going to make beermosas. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be. Let's just get into it because I'm starving. Okay, so I'm going to start cubing our bread, and we just have ciabatta, so I'm just going to cube this up and put it in this bowl, and then Eric's going to do the wet like stuff with the eggs and the vanilla and stuff, but I'm just gonna do this real fast. So this is about how much we have. We have a whole second loaf, so I think this will be enough, but all right, let's move on into the kitchen. All right, so I have my pan. We're just gonna create this like layer of carbs.
All right, so we're taking a cup and a half of milk. Not using the spout.
Spout will work so well.
The spout's great. A tablespoon of margarine. I'm just going to go in with the finger there and scoop that out. There we go. And then we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla. I don't know where our teaspoon is, so I'm going to do 2 halves. Okay, and then we're doing, oops, I needed that still. A tablespoon of sugar. Four eggs.
Alright, so we just poured the liquid in this first one, and we're making the second batch for that one because we thought maybe we could use this whole liquid in that, but we can't, so. So this is just sugar and cinnamon. And we're going to sprinkle it over top of this.
I'll definitely be wiping the counter down.
How? So what we're going to do is now make beermosas. So what you need is an Allagash white or Walt Wit or any kind of wheat beer. This is a Belgian style wheat beer, so it says. You need orange juice, some champagne, and some Saint Germain, which is probably optional. It's like a flower liqueur or an elderflower liqueur. So it's probably optional if you don't want to go out and buy it.
I think it's the secret ingredient, frankly.
I think it's optional. So how I make my beermosa is you take Allagash white, you pour it in about 3/4 of the way up. So probably like there is fine. Once the foam goes down, it'll probably be around here. Then you put in some Saint Germain. So you pour in, I don't know, I do an eyeball, so I do like probably that much.
That's a lot.
And then you do some champagne. And then top it with OJ. And I think OJ is to color, not really to flavor. And it's delicious. So let me know if you try it. It's delicious.
You want me to do my recipe?
I'm doing off film. Yes. All right, go ahead.
All right. I'm going to do half a pint of a wheat beer. Exactly, I'm just going to reiterate what you just said. I'm gonna say I would recommend 0.75 to like an ounce of Saint Germain. It's perfect.
That seems like a lot more than I did.
Yeah, this is an
That
ounce.
is a 0.7.
This is an ounce and a half. Yeah, so maybe it's a little steep, but it bows out at the top, so you kind of have to go higher.
Okay.
And then I'm just gonna go the rest half and half, orange and
Really?
champagne. Yeah, that's how I used to make them at work.
See, I did.
$14 or $8. $8.
Were they only 8? No.
Nah, they were more.
They have to be like 12. Wow, that's a lot of champagne. Alright.
That's what I think is the perfect.
No, you're not. Yeah, they are.
Perfect combo.
Let's see. Is it good? Here, we'll taste mine.
Okay. Yeah. They're both good.
You can taste the champagne in yours. Mine's like beer heavy and yours is like champagne heavy.
Yeah. Yours is kind of like more my style.
Really?
Yeah, because I'm more of a beer person
Oh.
than a champagne person. Should have gotten orange slices. I wasn't thinking.
I know. And then garnish with an orange. Alright, we just took it out. This is what it's looking like. We made 2 pans. And Eric cooked up himself some bacon. I don't eat bacon. And then we cut some strawberries and we have blueberries. So let's plate this up. Alright, I just plated mine. Trying to be like an expert over here. Look how freaking good this looks. I mean, it looks pretty amazing if I do say so myself. Just put some syrup on it. You want to taste a bite?
I need a fork. Alright.
Is it good? Pretty good. Cool. Alright, we ate all of the food. So, it's the end of the video, I guess. We're doing the dishes right now. I still have this left, so I'm going to finish that and probably take a nap. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! What are you doing?
It's the last thing I didn't clean up.
Bye!